So now, move on with it.
Não
So, Miley chadar. How much people have chadar home? Lamtai had chadar, but nowadays they get bedsheet. Many times I ask people, is there anybody forget where they came from? Everybody put their hand, no, we not forget. The poet says, Miley chadar, we all came into this world as a clean shawl or the sheet. And as we came into this world clean, white represent, somebody give you, well, there's different categories, I must say. A child, you have a teenager, an adult, and then you have senior citizen now. So if we give all of them a beautiful white clothing, they all will mess up that clothing in different ways. Who clothing will mess up more? Can you tell me? All of us, as we have this white shawl, we utilize it in our own way. Some people, like when you go to the market, you see mango. And do you remember the time from a distance you smell the mango, black spice mango? And the mouth now, the tongue, start to send message. It says your mouth start to run water. Seeing the mango, now all of us, we wear on this white piece of clothing, forget that we have a clothing will dirty easily, but now the taste bud, what happened? And people doesn't walk at night long time because people doesn't trouble you. So what you do? You buy the mango, nowadays you gotta wash it because you get COVID, long time you not wash thing, you just are rolling clothes and you eat. Right? And people live longer, now you clean your hand with sanitizer and you're dead faster. So, going to the market, see the mango, you want to eat it right away because you don't put things on table like here as decoration, but you're ready to eat it, the whole inside black. You eat it right away on the spot because if you walk in the street, somebody see mango, somebody give you one, we left it. It says now you take the mango, clean it, you roll it. No knife, roll it like it's soft. When you bite the hole and you start to, instead of eating the mango, you drink it. And if you mistakenly spill that mango in your clothes, the juice, what happened? Nowadays you buy mango juice in a bottle. We just make it without what? Blender and juicer and things like that. We just roll it and drink it. It says now when you enjoy the mango, now you forget about the clean clothing. It's just like you and I, we go places, we see nice things. And some people will pay attention to the clothing, not for them to get it dirty, because we are the one who will have to be accountable for it. So as we born in this world, my friends, it says, we all came with a clean charter. And as we live life, through that life, we contaminate ourselves. No matter how much you wash that charter, not the one where you go wash it in the laundry, where you sleep on. This body, it says there is no detergent can clean the sinful action. The only thing you can do to clean the sinful action or karma is when we are alive, you and I alive, is to utilize our ability, our voice to sing the name of God. Because every time you chant, you're undoing certain bad action. No pandit, my family will do the dead work and everything will be okay. I'll have some news for you now. Our family will go do your dead work. Well, we call it Shroud. Some people, you have to pay them. Soon that will become a business. I mentioned it in Guyana. And by next year, I think they will start to do it. Long time you just go set up puja place. Everybody know how to set up the puja place. Now you got to pay people to set up the puja place. It says now when it comes to Shroud as well, the last rites, Hinduism, there's many things has to be done and sacrificed. Not many people want to do that. Now when your family cannot do it for you, my friends, then you have to find someone. So that will become a business soon. Trust me, if I'm not here, you will see that will happen. Loving devotees, you'll hire somebody to do your dead Shroud. Because they will keep the fast, they will shave the hair, and do everything because money rules the world. It says now, do not depend on that because we don't know if we'll have anybody to do our Shroud. Today you mind you picked it, tomorrow you become somebody else. What? Loving devotees, as we live life, utilize as we have satsang. Binu Sanga Vivekal Woli says every time we engage in satsang, we are cleaning that chadar. So you ready to sing? Sing together with me. तूने मुझको जग में भेजा निर्मल देकर काया आकर के संसार में मैंने इसको दाग लगाया मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आओ हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरी मन ही मन शर्माओ मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे निर्मल वाणी पाकर तुझसे नाम तेरा गाया नैन मूर कर पावन में कभी ना तुझको ढाया मैं विनायक तारी तूती मैं विनायक तारी तूती अब क्या गीत सुनाऊं मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आओ द्वार तुम्हारे आओ हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माओ मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे मेरी चादर उड़ के कैसे इन पैरों से चल कर तेरे मंदिर कभी ना आए जहाँ जहाँ हो पूजा तेरे कभी मंदिर की चुकायो because when you have a mandir if you don't do puja that is not a mandir how do you do puja for the heart become mandir it says the hands that serve is better than the you don't know? Some people sing bhajan and pray and you cannot lift a spoon for somebody. It says in our life, the best mandir it is when you perform good deeds, karma, in a form of seva. But old people just call it dan kari. Giving services to humanity. When there is someone who need a helping hand, we should be there. It says, such is considered as puja. इन पैरों से चल कर तेरे मंदिर कभी ना आया जहाँ जहाँ हो पूजा तेरे कभी मंदिर की झुकाया ये हरि हरि में हाल के आया
कि हरी हरी मैं हर के आया, अब क्या हर चराऊं। मेरी चादर ओढ़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आओ, द्वार तुम्हारे आओ। ये पावन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माओ। मेरी चादर ओढ़ के कैसे, मेरी चादर ओढ़ के कैसे, मेरी चादर ओढ़ के कैसे, मेरी चादर ओढ़ के कैसे।